So if the node tool is not working inside Inkscape, like you select it but nothing happens, or you can't see nodes, or you can't edit your shape properly, don't worry. Yeah, we're going to fix it step by step. First thing first, check your object type because the node tool only works on paths. If you're trying it on text, images, or simple shapes, it won't respond the way you expect. So if needed, select your object and go to path, then click object to path to convert it properly. Next, if your object is grouped, that can also block node editing. So go to Object and choose Ungroup, then try again. Also make sure you are actually using the correct tool, press F2 or click the node tool icon, not the selection tool, because that mistake happens a lot. Another important thing is layers, because if your object is locked or inside a locked layer, the node tool won't work at all. So just unlock everything and test again. If it still doesn't respond, go into Preferences and reset tool settings, because sometimes corrupted settings can silently break node editing. And finally, if nothing works, just update or reinstall Inkscape from the official version, because that usually fixes hidden bugs or corrupted files. After all this, your node tool should start working normally again. Yeah, and you should be able to edit paths smoothly without any issue. Hey everyone, if you're